Audience Discovery is a new tool in Hootsuite Impact for measuring the online behavior of LinkedIn users. You can drill into the behavior of your target audience or the engagement with a brand's organic content. The resulting insights can improve how you're sharing content and targeting audiences. Get started by re-authenticating your LinkedIn page. Open Hootsuite Impact, then Account Settings, add Connections, then add New Connection. Select your network and follow the prompts. If you're planning to use paid LinkedIn ads, we suggest re-authenticating your LinkedIn ads account here as well. Next, open Hootsuite Analytics and then click Audience Discovery under Apps. Now you're ready to start searching and analyzing. Let's say you're a recruiter at a tech firm and you want insights into groups of recent graduates from several specific universities. Using the audience filter, enter relevant search terms like topic, country, degree, and organization. Applying the filters shows the audience overview, which gives insight into that specific subset of LinkedIn users. Trending content shows the content these LinkedIn users engaged with the most. Explore all the metrics available and sort the results by whatever metric is most relevant to you. These results help you understand what your target audience is interested in. The insights can guide the type of content you create and share. For example, look for articles that have high engagement and impressions. These are concrete examples of what your target audience wants to see. Search results can only be seen within a 30-day range, so make a point to come back regularly to monitor audience behaviors. Let's head back to the filter menu to try other filters. Searching by domain names and URLs can be useful for competitive analysis. By entering a competitor's domain name, you can assess their audience, level of engagement, demographics, and what it is engaging with. Or enter the URL of a specific piece of content published by a competitor. Take some time to review its performance. You can then compare it against something similar you've published and review how your content measures up. This is useful for determining your share of voice in a given topic area among LinkedIn users. Searches need a minimum number of unique LinkedIn users to show data. If your filter doesn't produce enough results, try removing terms. If you get too many results, home in by adding more search terms. A best practice for using the Audience Discovery tool is to save frequently referenced audiences. Saving audiences makes future searches go faster. To save an audience, click Save Audience on the Filter Audience menu. Name the audience and save it. To load this saved audience for a future search, click Load a Saved Audience. Audience Discovery also works with LinkedIn Campaign Manager. By sending a saved audience into LinkedIn Campaign Manager, you can target this group with relevant LinkedIn ads. If you're going to use a saved audience in Campaign Manager, make sure to check Limit to Premium before saving. This ensures search terms used in Audience Discovery match those in LinkedIn ads. To export a saved audience, your LinkedIn ads account will need to be re-authenticated in Hootsuite Impact. Then, click Load a Saved Audience, Export to LinkedIn, and select the ads account you want it to appear in. In LinkedIn Campaign Manager, you can find this audience alongside your other saved audiences.